Greetings friends, I am Thordy, and today I got what I hope is a quick job. The blower motor in my HHR decided to stop working on like the hottest week of the year, at least what we've had so far. So anyway, I've got myself a nice little replacement here. It doesn't look like it's all that complicated. It looks like about 3 bolts and a wire. I'm sure I can survive that. And I got the replacement cabin air filter. I kind of figure while I'm there, I'm figuring this is probably dirty. I haven't done it since I got the car. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, all you're going to need for this job is a flathead screwdriver and a ratchet with a 5.5mm socket on the end of it. Okay, so we're actually going to start with the cabin air filter. It's pretty easy to access. You pop these little clips and your glove box comes on down. There's 2 little clips that open up in here. And this flips open. Let's see what horror lies within. It actually doesn't look that bad. It's kind of filled with some junk though, so I'm still going to go ahead and replace it. Slip the new one in there. Anyway, it slides right in, and that's the easiest thing we're going to do today. So let's go ahead and get started on the blower motor. We're going to actually just close this back up, and I'm going to reposition the camera. All right, so this here is the glove box, and up here is where we're going to find the motor. First thing we got to do is pop these little clips out, easy to do. Now, I should be using an interior panel popping tool, but I'm just going to use a screwdriver because I don't have my entire tool set with me. All right, so we got this guy out. All right, that plug came right out, no problem there.
So these bolts come out real easy. I barely had to twist the ratchet. Once they were loose, you pretty much can just roll the extension. In this clip, I take out the 3 inner ones, but you don't even have to. The 3 outer ones will drop the entire assembly with the metal ring that holds it in.
Okay, with all the screws out, looks like the blower comes right out. Okay, just a quick comparison of the old and the new. This is one we just took out, and this is the aftermarket replacement we got. Now, as you can see, it's got 3 bolt holes on it, and I was under the impression you had to take out all 6 in order for this to come loose, but that was not the case. I only had to take out the outer 3, and it came right out. Some of these, I guess, would get stuck when you try to do it, but this one fell right out as we were doing it, so no problem there. It looks like this will fit. Let's go ahead and get it in there.
So the fan on the new blower has a slightly larger diameter than the stock one, but if you look inside, there is more than enough room for it to spin. I was concerned for a second that the flange might not line up, but sure enough, the bolts line right up and they go in just as easy as they came out. Once you plug in the power, it's good to go. You just gotta put in that piece of carpet. You could replace the plastic clips, but I didn't really need to. They hold it up just fine, no worries.
All right, we got it in there. Let's just give it a quick test. I don't even need to start the car. Let's just, oh yeah. Feel that breeze, even better than before. It might be because I changed the filter. All right, that was not very complicated at all. So when you go to the store, they offer you 2 different blower motors that you can pick up. One of them has the flange built into it, and one of them doesn't. The one that doesn't, you have to remove the original plastic piece from the stock blower and swap it over, and you gotta change out this metal ring. I don't recommend that. Just get the one with the flange. It fit right up in there and it works just fine. So I hope you enjoyed the video. We do other fun stuff on this channel. We've got a couple of hobby cars we've been messing around with, so check it out. Maybe hit that sub button, see what you think. Until next time, good luck, have fun, drive safe, all that good stuff.